Lumbu Keimanzi, Lumbu Pokongi Bobo. Bosuletile, Fotitefe, Debuletile, Funtoto. Bosuletile, Fotitefe, Deculetile, Funtoto. Kumlongwe, Kumlongwe, ya, Kumlongwe, ya. Iboyende Kumlongo, Ikolimatu, Yaduke, Uyenumwa, Uyentisiti, Uyenbasu, Kumlongo, ya. Kumlongo, Pamwaku, Kumlongo, ya. Kumlongwe, ya. Utanongo, Utatibile, Utaliane, Tutondele liane, Kumlongwe, ya. Bayaye, Ubakle, Uchekwe, Zinkombe, Matitule, Yamwapwati, Kabayone, Kalwembe. Matbaboso, Yangome, Yamponzo, Yafutu, Yamakinye, Yamususu, Ya Gaston, Ya Piacese, Mame, Zile Mama, oh, Chisangi Mame. Kulwangu, Zile, oh mama, Nikune, Badabidaba, Mulongwe, ya.
Ngizambote evo mukututala una tomakwiza sitolongoka ndinga Kongo de Totela. Welcome, we're going to learn Kikongo, the language of Kongo Kingdom. Thank you very much. Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi, tutondele.
Tutondele, tutondele. Kiambote, nengwa mazenzele.
Kiambote.
Lunama vimpi, eh?
Ingete tunama vimpe tutondele.
Tutondele. Let us wait a bit for Sister Louise. Okay. She's coming. Okay, let us hope she's coming. Okay. Everything was fine in the background. Now we're live. Okay. Understandable. Okay. Thank you very much. We are going to start just a quick revision on numbers. We're going to revise a number. Bear with me. Just let me share my screen. Yes. 1 minute, please. Yes. Nengoma Zenzele, can you read for us, please?
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Samwaria, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Oh, well done. Tata David, please.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Zambadwa, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Oh, well done. Somebody, well done. Wow. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, we still have, we don't have a sister, Louise. Okay, let us go to the next. We're going to review our. Give 1 minute, let me see. Well done, well, numbers. Quick revision on adjectives. Go to share my screen, bear with me. Yes. We need someone to read for us.
Okay.
Davidi. Kikongo,
Okay. All right. Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative.
Thank you very much. Next slide is Nengoma Zenzele, please.
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative because exactly from a grammatical point of view, they always agree with the nouns they modify. For example, kiaki, ki, kutu, kiaku, kiambwake, kiambote, imbote. As you can see, the noun is ki kutu. All other words are key in agreement.
Wow. Don't try to memorize it. That just
won't happen.
Okay. Tata David, please.
All these words in the analysis of Bantu languages are called relative.
Tata David, please.
Its equivalents in the classification of Indo-European languages would be as follows. Kiaki is demonstrative. Kiaku is possessive. Kiambwaki is adjective denoting color. And kiambote mbote is adjective qualifying opinion in the superlative.
Yes, thank you.
So meaning something's the greatest or the best.
Yeah. Superlative, yeah. Okay. Let me just read for you. Here we have meno. Do you remember meno? It's a plural of something. This is muff. when I open my mouth, something
Chin,
white.
face, lip. I know. I don't remember.
Plural,
I don't remember what it is. Oh,
no,
no.
teeth.
Teeth.
So singular dino, meno plural. So have meno. Remember
No.
what we just read about adjective in Bantu language, the way we define adjective. All this. Meno.
Teeth. Teeth.
Yes, meno. Teeth, literally teeth, yours. Your teeth. Meno mia pembe. Your white teeth, pembe white. Your white teeth are very, very nice.
You have nice teeth, very nice teeth.
You have very nice teeth. So this is meno, teeth, meno, yours, mia pembe, mia mbote moit. They're very nice. You have very nice teeth. Thank you very much. Okay, we're going to today's lesson. But okay, let us give a chance to.
Did you see the message from Sister Louise? Her computer is causing problems, so she's listening, but she cannot join us
She
with
can't access.
video and audio.
Okay, sorry. Technology.
So
Yeah,
she's still with us.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, let us go to any question. She's trying. Any questions?
So,
Okay. I will start for you. You carry on. I will start. Ame. Then what comes next?
Ame Pamela. Ame Aku Pamela. My name is Pamela. So, David, you got it.
No, don't worry.
Eno.
No.
Eto.
Ow.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, let us just go to the today's lesson then.
Okay.
Okay, you know your number, you know your adjective. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm rusty.
No, you're fine. Don't. Where are we? Okay. Let me just find my file. Okay, we're going to learn today's lesson section. We're going to section 2. We're moving to section 5, lesson 2, section 5. So next week, section 6, the last one on this lesson, last section.
Okay. Lesson 6.
I'm just showing my. Yes. Let me just write here before too late. Okay. Utokozi makambi, we say in Kikongo, meaning what in English?
Ingratitude.
Yeah, ingratitude is bad. That's why every day we keep going back to the same thing. But our tradition, this being Congo, is what we do. We all thank people. Can you see scroll? Something scrolling. These are people that are helping us. So, Nengwa Mazenzele, can you read for us, please?
Congo language course, Malunge Makikongo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Jawo
Thank you.
Makondwika. Joan Hazel Carter, February 22nd, 1928. March 8th, 2016, received her doctorate with dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phase in Congo, Kikongo language. African Studies Program, Department of African Language and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much, Nengo Mazenze. Professor Carter, we thank Papa, Reverend Papa Jean Makondekwa. This work is unique. Synthetic tone phrase in Congo, that's very, very good work indeed. So today's Congo, lesson 2, section 5. Okay. Let me just go back to try to check so that you can understand where we're going. So we co attached to nouns.
Okay.
Co attached to noun.
Okay.
You're going to understand. Basically, when you say no, I mean negative sentence, there's always co at the end. All those. Okay. Tata David, can you read for us, please?
Malavu Musinga Stumbe
Well
is
done.
it palm wine you're going to buy? Ve. Ketusinga Stumbi Malavuko.
Well done. Ngwamazenzele, please.
Malavu Nusinga Sumbwe, is it palm wine you are going to buy? Ve Ketusinga Sumbwa Malavu Ko.
Well done. Malavu Nusinga Sumbe, Ve Ketusinga Sumba Malavuko. Palm wine. Ngwamazenzele, please.
Madia Nusinga Lambe, is it food you are going to color? Ve Ketusinga Lamba Madiako. No, we are not going to cook any food.
Thank you. Well done, long vowel. Madia Nusinga Lambe. Well done. Tata David, please.
Madia Musinga Lambe is it food you're going to cook? Ve Ketusinga Lambi Madiako.
Thank you. Let me just read for you. Kingelezo, long vowel. Kingelezo, nusinga vove. Remember, singa, future, announce the future, see? Future, this we use auxiliary, we use for future. Kingelezo, nusinga vove. Ve, ketusinga vova, kingelezoko. Tata Davidi, Kikongo David.
Kingeleze or Musinga Wove, is it English you're going to speak? Ve Ketusinga Wova Kingelezoko.
Well done. Then go and please.
Kingaleziko Nusinga Kingalezo Nusinga Wove, is it English you are going to speak? Ve Kitusinga Wova Kingalizo Ko.
Well done. Something to remember here, Brother David. No, and it could be LU, doesn't matter. NU, sorry, NUOLU. Second person plural. Then two, remember NU, second person plural. Two as first person plural. Then we have twins. These are ko and k. Sometimes it is K-E or K-I, but they go together. K and ko, negative. They go together. As in French, when you say je ne veux pas, I don't want, As soon as I say je ne, I'm expecting pas at the end. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us move. Nengoma zenzele, please.
Mbaze nusinga vutuke.
Well done.
Is it tomorrow you are going to return?
Mhm.
Ve ketusenga vutuka mbazeko.
Well
No,
done.
no, we are not going to return tomorrow.
Thank you very much. Tata David. Tata David.
Bazi Lusinga Wutuk eh?
Mhm.
Is it tomorrow you're going to return? Ve Ketusinga Wutuka Baziko.
Well done. Well done. Nkanda. Remember, long vowel Nkanda. Nusinga tange. Nengoma zenze, please.
Nkanda nuzenga tange.
Mhm.
Is it a book, letter you are going to read? Ve ketusenga tanga nkanda ko. No, we are not going to read any book, letter.
Tata David, please.
Kanda Nusinga Tiange. Oh, no, there's no I in there. Okay. Kanda Nusinga Tange. Is it a book or letter you're going to read? Ve Ketusinga Tanga Nkanda ko.
Thank you very much. Let me just ask if Sister Louise, can you hear us?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, okay,
Yes,
yeah,
we
you
can
can.
hear
Can you
you.
see the screen?
Is my screen still frozen?
Can
Yes.
you see the slide? Can you see?
I can see, yeah.
Okay, sorry. Go ahead. Can you read, please?
Okay. Kanda nusinga tange. Is it a book letter you're going to read? Ve ketusinga tanga kanda ko.
Okay. Name was have you read? I think no.
You want me to read it again? You said?
Oh, it's fine. Sorry. Tata David, please.
Salu Nusinga Bange. Is it work you're going to do? Ve Ketusinga Banga Saluko. No, we're not going to do any work.
Thank you. Nengo Luis, please.
I'm sorry, me?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Salu nusinga vange. Is it work you're going to do? Ve ketusinga vanga saluko.
Well done. Nengo Mazenzele, please.
Salu nusinga vange. Is it work you are going to do? Ve ketusinga vangu saluko.
Singa vangu, thank you.
Okay. No, we are not going to do any work.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nengwa Luis, please. Nkanda nusinga soneke.
Kanda nusinga sonoke. Ve ketusinga soneka nkandako.
Well done. Tata David. Sorry. Kikongo.
Kanda Nusinga Soneke. Is it a letter or book you're going to write? Ve Ketusinga Soneka Nikandako. It's just Nkandako.
Yes.
Yes. Ve Ketusinga Soneka Nkandako. No, we're not going to write any letter or book.
Thank you. Nengwa Mazenzele.
Kanda nusinga sonoke. Is it a letter book you are going to write? Ve ketusinga sonoke kanda ko. No, we are not going to write any letter book.
Thank you. Nengwa Louise. Let me just try to read for you first. Akundi nusinga mone. Please.
Akundi nusinga mone. Ve ketusinga mona akundiko.
Thank
you very much. Tata Davidi, Kikongo.
Okay. Akundi Nusinga Mone. Is it friends you're going to see? Ve. Ketusinga Mona Akundiko.
Well done. Nengo Mazenzele.
Akundi nusinga mone. is it friend you are going to see? Ve ketusinga mona akundi go.
Thank you very much.
No, we're not going to see.
I'm sorry, sir. I was.
That's okay. No.
Nengwa Louise.
Busy nusinga die ve ketusinga dia biziko.
Tata David.
Mbizi nusinga die. Is it meat you're going to eat? Ve ketusinga die mbiziko.
No, we're not going to eat.
No, we're not going to eat any meat.
Nengwa Mazenzele.
Busy nusinga die. Is it meat you're going to eat? Ve ketusinga dia biziko. No, we are not going to eat any meat.
Thank you. Well done. I'm just going back to the first slide. We are going to have some exercise. Very, very easy one. Very, very easy. Tata David, can you try on use this? This is second person plural. Can you try to use a second person, please? Singular. Sorry, singular. Yes.
Oh, okay. Malabu enu singa sumbi e.
Good try. Wow. Nengwa Mazenzele.
Malava enusinga sumbwe.
Basically, we just remove
Right,
NU.
usinga.
Remove this one. We put O.
Malavu usinga sumbwe.
Skumbe, yes.
Okay.
Malavu singa skumbe.
Mm-hmm.
Ve. Then here we have the first person. This is first plural.
So,
We go to first singular.
so ve kusinga.
And then I here. We remove TU. Then we go to I. We put
Kisinga.
KI. Kiss.
Kisinga.
Malavuko. Is it clear, Brother David? Yeah,
So,
here just basically here you remove NU, U, second plural, TU2 first plural. We just remove NU, then just replace O.
So it's
Osinga sumbe.
singa sumbe.
Ve.
Ve kisinga.
Singa sumba malavu.
Okay.
Okay, let's try first person. Tata David, please. I mean, second and the first singular.
Okay, Malavu ami singa sumbe.
Malavu osinga sumbe. Just a drop NU. Malavu osinga sumbe.
So that would become osinga. I thought for first person it would be ami, but it's not, huh?
No. We're not talking about adjective here.
Okay.
That's why you are right. That's why it's confusing, because exactly that's why we say that we don't call it we call it possessive, because the way it's used, sometimes the pronoun, personal pronoun, sometimes possessive. So in this context, right here, just don't forget about that.
Okay.
Okay. Osinga, yes. Malavu osinga sumbe, please.
Malavu osinga sumbe. Ve osinga sumba malavuko.
No, negative is very easy. Just because KI and ko.
So ve kisinga sumbi malavuko.
I just want to make it easy for you. Forget about singa when you are negative. Just ve kisumba malavuko. Just KI, yeah? Kisumba malavuko.
Oh, okay. So
add KI or KE and ko to make your negative, to form your negative. Kisumba malavuko. Forget about singa here. It's not relevant to me. Yes. Nengwa Louise, are you with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you try, please, second singular, please?
malavu osinga sumbe.
Well done.
Ve kisumba malavuko.
Well done. Negative is very easy. Let us move to the next one. Nengwa mazenzele. We are dropping NU and TU.
Okay, so okay.
We just have KI, then ko.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Maria Osinga Yambe.
Yambe, well done.
Ve Kisenga Yamba Madiako.
Well done, but to make it easier, go Kisinga Kilamba Madiako.
Okay. Kilamba Madiako. Okay. Do you want me to say it again?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Madia Osinga Lambe, Ve Kilambe Madiako.
Well done. Nengwa Luis.
Madia Osinga Lambe. Ve Kilamba Madiako.
Well done. Okay, going. When I say going in Kikongo, any brother David, remember going? Remember?
Sala.
Sorry.
Sala.
Staying, yeah.
And then Wenda.
Well done. Remember, I gave you that something to remember. I mean, outgoing and incoming. Wenda, outgoing call.
Wenda call.
Visa, incoming call. Just, it's not a translation, but just for you to remember easy. Wenda, outgoing call. Quiza, incoming call. Okay, now I'm going to just use it. We finish in 2 minutes. Just to use that, I'm going to remove my. Just remember key and ko. Yo negative.
Yes.
Key and ko. You put your verb here, then key, any verb here, in between, then ko. Okay. Let's see if you're Nengwa Luis.
Yes.
Yeah, Kwenda means going, so you're not going. Can you tell me? Can you say it in French? French. In Kikongo, please. You are not going.
Kiwendako.
Well done. Kikwendako.
Kiwendako.
Well done. Nengwa mazenzele. You are not coming. I'm not coming.
Not coming.
Not
Kikwendako. Kikwendako.
Kikwizako.
Kikwendako. Kiwendako. Okay.
Yeah. Vova. Speaking. Vova. Tata David. I'm not going to speak. I'm not speaking. I'm not talking. Tata David.
Kikwokako.
Well done, Kivovako. Thank you very much. Okay. We're stopping there. Any questions? You done well, Sister Louise?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
Okay.
Sorry for my technical difficulties.
Thank you very much. Sorry, technology.
Yeah.
This is happening, no?
Yeah, we can hear you though well, Louise.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you very much indeed. I'm going. You are staying.
Sala Kiambote.
Well done. So you are staying. I'm going.
Wenda Kiambote.
Oh, well done. Thank you very much. Have a day. We meet next Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye.
Yeah, Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Longa, les coordonnateurs, les frères Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kongo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ngondo, la San Diego.
Kukinchasa, Kongo, tire tire